Good morning. Welcome to day 3 of week 2. Buenos días. Bienvenidos a semana número 2, día número 3. Today we're going to do 2 activities looking at combining 2 letters. Vamos a hacer 2 actividades cuando combinamos 2 letras. We're going to read the book, Carlos and His Teacher. Vamos a leer un libro sobre Carlos y su maestra. And then we're going to talk and write about people at our school. Y después vamos a hablar y escribir sobre personas en nuestra escuela. Let's get started. So today we're working on combining and blending letters with the letter L. Please repeat after me. L. L. Good. These are all different words that have the L, but a different letter in front. Clock has CL, the sound cl. Flag has FL, fl. Flag. Plant has PL, pl. Plant. Black has BL, blah, black, the black pot. Glass has GL, gla, glass. Sled, SL, sl, sled. Let's go through and say it one more time. We have 10 o'clock, flag, plant, black pot, glass, sled. Great job. Now let's read our sentences and find the picture that matches. Nan has a flag. Great. Number 2. It is 10 o'clock. The glass is not red. The plant is in the sun. The sled is not black. Great. Now you can hit pause. You can listen to the sentences again, or you can read them by yourself. Great job. Pueden poner pausa. Pueden reescuchar las oraciones. Puedes decirlo solo. All right. Now we're going to look at our picture up here. And we're going to look at these questions to see, yes, it's true, or no, it's not true. Let's review some of our words here. Here's our clock, a dog named Gus. Here's a red bag. Here's the desk, a plant, a flag, and a globe. Now let's read our sentences. Gus is in the class. Yes, he is. A bus is in the class. No, I don't see a bus. Gus has Nan's bag. Yes. The bag is black. What color is that bag?
Brown.
Or red, yes, brown or red. So no. Gus is on a sled. No. A bell is in the class. No, No bell. Gus has a glass. No. Gus is a black dog. Is he black?
No, he's brown.
Yeah. No. A flag is in the class. Yes. It is 10 o'clock. Yes. Great job. Now you can hit pause and you can listen to the sentences again and you can say them with me. Great job. Now, you guys did our phonics for today and we're going to read our book, Carlos and His Teacher. Carlos and His Teacher. Carlos and his teacher talk. Carlos and his teacher write. Carlos and his teacher read. Carlos and his teacher add. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 4 equals 7. What does 4 plus 4 equal? You can add 2. Carlos and his teacher share. Carlos and his teacher paint. Carlos and his teacher clean. Carlos and his teacher play. The end. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about some different people at our school and what they do. It says, people at school. In my picture I see, the teacher teaches a student. This is the librarian in the library. The librarian finds books. The nurse helps sick and hurt people. The students write. The custodian cleans the school. And the principal leads the school. Think, who is at your school? And we're going to write about it. Now we're going to talk about people at our school. Ahora vamos a hablar de personas en nuestra escuela. Let's talk about the nurse. My school has a nurse. Una enfermera o un enfermero. And we're going to write about the nurse. What does the nurse do? Here it says, the nurse helps sick and hurt people. Yes, that's true. But I'm going to write something new. I'm going to say, the nurse. What does the nurse do? Let me go back to my book. I remember use the word clean, like limpiar. I know the nurse also helps clean if I get a cut. So the nurse cleans a cut. When I get hurt, the nurse will clean it. And that's what I'm going to put in mine. You can write something that the students do, something that the teacher does, or the librarian. Like maybe you could put, the librarian, I know that she also reads books. And my word read is in the book, Carlos and His Teacher. You can write your sentence here. We're going to do one more. These are the different people who are at our school. Here, this is a teacher. Let's write teacher. Great. And I can think about who is a teacher at my school. You guys might think about Miss Alexander, Miss Warren, Miss Johnston. We have lots of different teachers. Now, the nurse. Let's write nurse. Nurse. You can write that in box number 2. Now here it says library. The person who works in the library is called a librarian. Let's write librarian. At our school, at Tubman, the librarian is Miss Wagner. Miss Wagner is the librarian. And here is a picture of a custodian. A custodian is someone who fixes things at our school and helps keep it nice and clean. We also help keep it clean too. Let's write custodian. Some custodians at our school are Mr. Jewell and Mr. Luis. So these are names of the jobs of different people at our school. Let's say them together. Teacher, nurse, librarian, custodian. Great job. You guys did our letter activity with the letter L. You read Carlos and his teacher, and now we talked and wrote about people at school. I'm very proud of you. Great job. We'll see you later. Bye. Say bye.
No. I don't hear somebody.
Well, I know, but look, there's a picture of us there. Can you say adios? Do you see?
Adios.